You got a raise, or maybe you landed a new job with a great salary. Then that first paycheck hits, and half of it gone. Taxes, FICA, Medicare, feels familiar, right? Taxes are painful, but there's something worse. Your employer hands you money, then with the other hand, takes it back, and you don't even notice. Every month, hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars are floating right past you. Free money your company is offering, and you're just letting it disappear. Year after year, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. Those little amounts you ignored, they turn into hundreds of thousands of dollars you'll never have. I'm James, and the next 15 minutes will change how you look at your paycheck. I spent the last 5 months digging into this topic. I went through tax codes, talked to financial advisors, broke down dozens of retirement plans. In this video, you're going to learn 3 things. First, what is this match thing and why it's not just a bonus, but literally part of your salary? Second, the real numbers, how much you're leaving on the table every single year. And third, a step-by-step action plan. Exactly what to do right now to stop leaving money behind. By the way, if you want more breakdowns like this, hit subscribe and like. It helps YouTube show this to other people who need it. Let's get into it. A 401k is a retirement account your employer sets up for you. You put a chunk of your paycheck in before taxes, but here's the thing. A lot of companies say, if you save for retirement, we'll save for you too. That's called a match. You put money in, your employer puts money in, free, no catch. Sounds too good to be true, right? There is a catch, but it's probably not where you think. Let me explain. There are 3 main ways employers structure their match. Remember these. First, dollar for dollar. The best one. You put in 4% of your salary, your employer adds another 4%. Your money doubles instantly. Second, partial match. For example, 50% up to 6%. You put in 6%, your employer adds 3%. Total, 9% of your salary going to retirement. Third, stretch match. 100% on the first 3%, then 50% on the next 2%. If you put in 5%, you get 4% from your employer. No matter which type, it's free money. But there's one condition. You actually have to participate. Your employer won't add anything if you don't. And here's where it gets interesting. A lot of people think, okay, I'm in. But being in isn't enough. You have to do it right. Otherwise, that free money, it burns. Here's where most people mess up. You might think, why not just dump all my contributions in January and get it over with? Sounds smart, right? Get it done early, money grows longer, match comes faster. What's not to love? Here's the catch. Most 401k plans match per paycheck, not per year. Per paycheck. If you front-load all your money in January, you get the match in January. But for the rest of the year, nothing. 0. Your employer stops contributing. Let's put numbers on it. Say your match is $300 a month. Front-load? You get $1,200. Spread it out, you get $3,600. That's $2,400 a year you just left on the table. Free money. Gone. Every single year. Over 10 years, that's $24,000. Over 20 years, $48,000. Just gone. The fix is simple. Spread your contributions evenly across the year, set it and forget it. Every paycheck, a little comes out. Every paycheck, your employer adds their share all year long. Okay, you did everything right. You spread it out. You're getting the match. That money's yours, right? Not so fast. There's something called vesting. It means the money your employer adds isn't fully yours until you've been there a certain amount of time. 3 types. Immediate. Rare, but it happens. Cliff, after 2 to 3 years, all of it vests at once. Graded. A little more each year. Graded is the most common. Year 1, 20% vests. Year 2, 40%. All the way to year 5, 100%. Then it's finally yours. If you leave before your match is fully vested, part of it goes back to your employer. Your own contributions? Those are always yours. This isn't scary. You just need to know. Log into your 401k portal and find your plan's vesting schedule. It's usually one click away. Remember, your money is always yours. The match? That's the bonus. And like any bonus, there are rules. Know the rules, keep the money. Let's look at a real example. Meet Sally. She's 28, makes $50,000 a year. Her company has a solid plan. 100% match up to 4%. That means if she puts in 4%, they match it dollar for dollar. 4% of her salary is $2,000 a year. Her employer adds another $2,000. Total? $4,000 a year going into her retirement. But Sally thinks, money's tight right now. Maybe I'll just do 2%. Sounds reasonable, right? She puts in 2%, $1,000. Employer matches 100% of that, another $1,000. Total, $2,000. She just left $2,000 on the table. $2,000 a year doesn't sound like a fortune, but let's see what that becomes over time. Over 10 years, $20,000. Over 20, $40,000. Over 30, $60,000. Just the match she ignored. But here's the real pain. If that money had been invested, growing at 8 to 10%, $60,000 in lost matches becomes over $300,000. Sally lost over $300,000 because she didn't want to put in an extra $80 a month. Not because she's bad with money, because she didn't know. Now you do. There are limits. In 2025, you can contribute up to $23,500 of your own money into a 401k. But there's also a total limit. Your contributions plus your employer's. That's $70,000 in 2025. If you're 50 or older, there's a catch-up contribution. In 2025, that's an extra $7,500. Always check the IRS site for exact numbers. Here's the truth. These limits matter if you're a high earner. But for 90% of people, the match is way more important than hitting the limit. Most matches top out at 4 to 6% of your salary. That's way below the limit. Your goal? Get to the match first. But some plans have something called a true-up contribution. If you front-load, they add the missing match at the end of the year. True-up is rare but amazing. Only one way to know. Check your plan documents or ask HR. Don't assume you get your paycheck. Gross pay looks good, then taxes happen. Federal, state, FICA, Medicare. Ouch. When you put money into a traditional 401k, it comes out before taxes. Your taxable income drops. You pay less tax right now. Say you make $60,000 and put $3,000 into your 401k. You don't pay taxes on $60,000. You pay on $57,000. Depending on your tax bracket, you save 20 to 30% of that contribution instantly. That's free money on top of free money. But wait, there's Roth 401k too. With Roth, you pay taxes now. But when you retire, every dollar comes out tax-free. Which one? If you're young and in a low tax bracket, Roth. If you're in a high bracket now and expect to be lower in retirement, traditional. The smartest move? Have both. Then in retirement, you decide which pocket to pull from and how much tax to pay. Flexibility is power. Let's talk about mistakes. The ones that cost you free money. There are 3 big ones. Mistake number 1, waiting. I'll sign up later. Later never comes, and every month you wait, match money burns. Every month you're not enrolled, that's a month of free money you'll never get back. Mistake number 2, putting in too little. If your employer matches 4% and you put in 2%, you're leaving half on the table. That extra 2% might feel like a sacrifice now, but it's not spending, it's earning. Free money, remember? Mistake number 3, not investing the money inside your 401k. Cash loses to inflation. Every year, it buys less. Your 401k isn't a savings account, it's an investment account. Pick a target date fund or an index fund. Make it grow. 3 mistakes. Easy to avoid once you know them. Now you know. The only real mistake, not starting. Everything else you can fix, but you have to start. Enough theory. Let's get practical. 4 steps. 20 minutes. Let's go. Step 1. Log into your 401k portal. Fidelity, Vanguard, your company's HR site. It's usually one click from your payroll dashboard. Step 2. Find your match formula. Is it 100% up to 4%? 50% up to 6%? Stretch? Write it down. Step 3. Set your contribution percentage to exactly what you need to get the full match. Not less, not more. Exactly the match number. Step 4. Check your vesting schedule. Know when the match becomes yours. If you're leaving before it vests, factor that into your plans. That's it. 4 steps, less than 20 minutes. Now, you're not leaving money on the table anymore. Every month from now on, that match is working for you. Growing, compounding, building your future. Without you doing a thing. Let's bring it home. 3 things to remember. First, the match is free money. Second, spread your contributions across the year. Third, know your vesting schedule. 3 simple things. Your employer isn't your enemy, but they're not going to chase you down to give you money. That's on you. 1 hour from now, you could be done. Log in, check your match, set your percentage, walk away, done. The money you set up today, in 20 years, it won't just be there. It'll have grown into something that changes your life. I'm James. Go claim your free money. Subscribe if you want more of these, and drop a comment. What's your match percentage? Let's see who's got the best deal.